In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly step by step how I got a $4,800 client, a remote job client using Upwork. You guys have been saying Upwork doesn't work. Upwork doesn't work for Nigerians. I'm going to debunk this also. There are two people that are on Upwork right now. They have earned $20,000 and I also made 5K, and that's just on Upwork. So you also know if you also know you can get clients off of Upwork, like you can chat to them on Upwork and take them off of Upwork. So let's get into the video. And before we get in, make sure you repost this video and smash the like button. So now we are in Upwork. Upwork is a job posting platform where people come in to post jobs, freelance jobs like remote jobs or full-time jobs as well. So how did I get a $5,000 client using this? Let me show you how. And to show you the proof, I'm not just giving you theory, I'm actually showing you how I got the client and the client itself. So let's just go. You can see I'm on my job application dashboard. So let's scroll down. This is the guy, right? You can see him here. Let's go back to the first chat I had with him. So now you can see, just even looking at how I applied to the job, this is very, very detailed. First of all, I said a keyword that he posted in the job post he gave. He said, before applying to this job, type recruitment, because first of all, a lot of us, we don't even like read the job, just say, hey, I'm interested or something. Many of us read, but we don't read to the end. And this guy posted it at the end. So that already made me stand out. I'm sorry for the background noise. I have some construction going on. So that was the first thing. The second thing is I checked for his name. The thing is that on Upwork, when people are posting jobs, if you go to the job post and you scroll down to where the reviews are, you see the people's names there. But this person, his name wasn't there. So I just said, hi, I saw you're looking for a media buyer. What's a media buyer? A media buyer is somebody that runs adverts. So you're basically buying media spots on Facebook, Google, Pinterest, any like ad buying platform, mobile ads. If you're playing all these games, all those ads you see. So that's what I do. Like that's one of my skills. I have like 17 skills that I offer, but this job was looking for a media buyer, so I used that angle. And I said I've had 2 years experience as a media buyer with Google and Facebook ads. I just helped a solar installation company bring in 28K in clients in 11 days using Google ads. Shall read all this one? I give the guy their Instagram and their email address, so we can see that right here. I'm giving results, and I'm actually giving him their Instagram to go and contact them if he wants to confirm. And I'll give him a call to action that I'm available in the next 10 minutes for a video meeting via Zoom or Google Meet. Thanks for posting this, William. So I put portfolio, like I have my portfolio on Upwork, so I put up my portfolio and also send screenshots. So you can see that I walk the walk and I talk the talk. So we now started talking. So we jumped on the call and the rest is history. So we jumped on the call and we actually did something that was against Upwork terms of service. So he shared me his Instagram. So we started talking over Instagram. So you can see the chat ended. That was this. You can see this is May. So the same day, May 17th, right? So the chat ended May 17th, but obviously you can see he did not hire me on Upwork. So he hired me off of Upwork. So May, I started messaging. This was 17th, right? June 17th, July 17th, August 17th. So 3 good months. I was following up with him once or twice a month for 3 months, staying at the top of his mind. That was when he now finally brought a job. And that wasn't even for paid advertising, it was for web design. Right? He's based in Australia and he's friends with a lot of construction companies. He himself is an electrician, but he was trying to get out of that electrician work. So he had a lot of friends in the industry. So one of his friends wanted to build a website for their brand new construction company business, right? And he now said, okay, because he doesn't really know, he knows how to build a little bit, but he don't want to like fuck it up. So he now said, okay, hey, Sheikh, can you do this? And I said, okay, no problem. So it was around 1,100 Australian dollars, which was like 700, 800 US dollars at that time. So I said, okay, I did everything. The website was good. I think the website is still up right now. Let me try and check. We did like 5. So this is just one of them. Treasure building. Okay, this website, the website was taken down. The guy's subscription finished, but yeah, but this is their Instagram. So you can see I'm showing you, I'm not just giving you theory, like I'm showing you the actual. I don't see if you should go and message this person, you use your OT. Don't spoil what I'm doing. I'm not messaging them that, hey, this believe this website. So this is the guy. His name is Adam Wilkie. No, this is Tom. This guy, his name is Tom. Yeah. So I built the website for them. The website is down right now. You can see they even have like a donation, Mother's Day Classic. So they're not putting it up right now. But that was the website I built. And this Australian guy, Darius Man, she brought like 5 jobs like this. Some of them were like 1,100. Some of them was like 1,500. So in total, I made like 5,000, I did 6,000 Australian dollars, which is like 5,000 US dollars. So I don't even know. They shot like around 5K. So this was how I got the job on Upwork. So now it's not just the job itself, your profile. How does your profile look? Let's go to my profile to show you. So you can see my profile first of all. Let's go to the public view. So you see how you see it how the people that are posting jobs will see it. First of all, I have a video introducing myself, talking about what I do. You can see it looks professional. Then I also have two profiles, like two gigs, web design and social media marketing. So my web design profile, you can see, first of all, I put a review, 5-star review from somebody. And in my academy, link in my TikTok bio, I show you guys how to get reviews like this. Even if you're just beginner, how to get reviews. You understand? And as I said, you guys should join my academy. The academy is the link in the bio, my TikTok and my YouTube bio. Register, and it will help you go from A to Z. If you're a remote worker, if you're trying to get to remote work, let's say you're tired of your office job, you're tired of the low pay, they're paying 50,000, 100,000, 150K, and you can barely pay rent, you're always in traffic. Like, you're feeling like, what is this what life is about? You understand? Like, you're wanting more from life. Yes, there are people that have made $9,000 in 2025 personally, and I also landed a 21K job in 2025, which my own profit was 9K. So there are people that are making money even more than me. There are people that are making $500. If there's what you're just looking for, $500, $300 here and there, there are people that are doing it. So don't sleep, don't wait. While people are making moves, you are on the sidelines, you're on the substitute bench, people are playing the match. Don't wait. You don't have to join the academy. You can watch free videos, but like me, I was watching free videos for 4.5 years until I finally got a mentor. I didn't get the client for 4.5 years. I got a mentor, and within 3 weeks, I got the first client for $650, which was 300K then. So which one are you going to be? Decide. So the link is in my bio. Join in, and I'll join to the WhatsApp group, to the Telegram group. You're going to have an accountability partner. You're going to have direct access to me. So we are going to make sure you get a deal. And another thing to even make it crazier for you guys, if you do the work, which I recommend, you set your CV, your portfolio website, you follow all the steps, and you start doing the outreach, which you recommend, the amount of outreach you recommend, and you don't get a job within 6 weeks, you get the full money back refund. You understand? So for you guys on defense, take action. So let's go back to this. So you can see right here, I put all of this. So all you can just do, just go over to Upwork, go and search, right? There are two profiles. I have a client profile and freelancer profile. So you can go to your client's profile. See my client profile, you can see it here. Let me open this. Let me just show you this first before I open that. You can see, just see how I structured everything. I have work history, right? This wasn't a real job, but I just got somebody to get my, so I'll show you all of that in the academy more. So you can see, just pause the video at any point to see what I did. So now you can see my client profile. I've hired people on Upwork, so you see a lot of money that I've spent. I'm not just giving talk for talk. You see, where is it? Manage work, reports. You can see my transaction history. I'm just showing you this one just to show you that, like, I've spent money. See my standing balance zero. See 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So I spent like 4K from this my own account. And I also have this guy here, this Obed Obafemi. He's also the guy that was collecting my PayPal payment. So him has also spent like 17K. 17K plus 4K, that's like 21K. So what you want to do is any job, any skill you're offering, if you're a virtual assistant and web designer, oh sorry, let's go back to what you just do. If you're a virtual assistant, graphic designer, web designer, developer, any skill you're offering, come over to this search bar, open the client app, right? Come over to this search bar and type your skill. So let's say website designer, for example. Now, so what you now want to do is you want to come here and model the top guys. So these first 3 guys, now come over to their profile one by one, open it in new tab. So let's open this first guy. So first of all, how does his profile picture look? A simple profile picture. He's not wearing the suit, it just looks professional, and he has cut out the background, so you can use Canva for that. What's the second thing? He has an available now. This person is paying for it. Available now, this badge. The third thing, he's online. You can see this badge. You can see this. This means he's online. So you always want to have a tab on your laptop that refreshes. I also show that in the academy, how to keep it refreshed, so it always show like you're online. Then now look at his bio. See how he's listed everything perfectly with emojis. You understand? Typical visual results. You can see all of this. So what you now want to do is, you can see it's stuffing keyword here. You understand? So what you now want to do is carry this into ChatGPT. Just copy all of this and ask it to change. You can see this guy, he wrote it with ChatGPT. Look at this double hyphen. That is the easiest way to know somebody has written something with ChatGPT. So what you want to do is go into ChatGPT, copy this, and say, okay, you should remix it and make it not look like you wrote it with AI. So it will now give you this. Then you get a website designer. if you're a video editor, go and copy it. So it will not be like copy and paste. Just tell ChatGPT to rewrite this and make it not look like it was written by AI. Don't use hyphens, don't use all those kind of things. You understand? Then you now come and edit it, put your own name. If your name is Wilma or whatever, write it here. Then after that, what is the next thing? You can see, come to his portfolio, look at portfolio here. You can see 68. So he has posted a lot of things. So you also want to post portfolio project yourself. Employment history, look at this. So you can see just basically like copy what these guys have done. Great artists, copy, shall be good artist, copy great artists. Don't steal, I don't ask you to do that. So come to this second person too, third person, just look at the trend. What did they usually, this is even a Nigerian guy. You understand? They have earned 20K. So you guys are saying, it's hard to make money in Nigeria. See somebody in Nigeria, sorry, I didn't pronounce it. He has earned $20,000. That's like, so people that say, that me, I'm making money, like, it's not possible. There are people that are making that on just Upwork. And you know, you'll be on Fiverr, you'll be on this thing. Look at this sure guy too. So there are guys that are making it big. All you just need to do is tap in. So like I said, join the academy. Don't waste. And the price is going to be going up soon. So before you go there and you see another price and you be saying, this is the how do I know? Gigi used to say, how do I know is the last comment of your food? So I'll see you in the next video. Please, I want you guys to repost this video, right? We just hit 4 or 5 followers. I want us to hit 10K before the end of this month. So we are going to the moon, to the solar system, and out of this galaxy, bro. So see you soon. Smash the like button, repost the video. Anyone to join the academy, link my brother.